All right, FC Westchester 2005 White versus FC Bolts White Elite. Championship game.
And we're off.
Ooh, men on.
Dad, we're changing it to yellow for the final.
Okay.
Try close.
Oh. Oh, that means we got to get into your... We have to go and get your uniform out of here. Here, take this Steve's umbrella right here.
Yeah, it's right there.
Yeah.
I put it over the bag, but...
Oh, you know what, Steve?
Yeah.
He's going to need his yellow for these bags in your car.
In the car. Okay.
Yeah, we'll get it.
We'll go, yeah.
A half time.
Yeah.
You don't mind, so this way I don't want to miss any of the game.
Yeah, I'll walk him over.
Step up!
Well, it's just really just a shirt.
Watch your line, let's go. Nice turn.
Go, Jack.
Take it, Jack.
Come on, David. Oh.
Nice, follow it.
Here it comes, Jesse. Here it comes, Jesse.
Sorry. Come on, Diego.
Close him.
1-0.
Let's go, Roxy. Just keep it up.
Go, guys, let's go.
Come on, Roxy!
Come on, it's just 1-0.
Go, David.
Back to wide.
Nice. Come on, Jonathan.
Good idea, Jack.
Where are you going? Come on.
Take it in.
Go, Jack. Shoot, Jack.
That's it.
Get there. Oh, get it.
Come on. Oh. Come on, still alive.
Follow, Jack.
Come on, Zeke. Oh, that was so close. Come on, Oscar. That's it.
Great. It's okay.
Come on, trust it.
Go, Charleston. Get ready, Jonathan. Get ready.
Nice. Good point, Jack. Keep
Oh! Guys, good, guys. Well done.
Let's get tight on it.
Pressure, guys, pressure.
Go, Oscar.
Yeah, Alec, move out of the way. Alec, come on.
Go.
So, Jonathan.
Go, Jonathan. Fight, Jay. Faster. Make that decision faster.
That's
Let's
it.
go.
Come on.
Send him.
Ooh,
There you go.
nice.
Nice ball.
Hey, Jack. Nice.
Get through. Shoot, David.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
Kidding me.
Keep it up, guys.
Steve, I'm not even worried about this game because they're moving the ball very well.
Yeah.
Very well.
Keep the pressure up, Jonathan. Let's go.
That was just a break. That was a breakaway. So.
What's the blue ball?
What happened to the offsides?
Still in.
Alec, move out of the way.
Let's go, Diego. We got all the time in the world. Let's go. Play him. Nice ball, Jonathan.
Careful.
By the way, you know the raindrops you kept seeing? I kept wiping. It was on the screen. It was on the screen. It wasn't on the. That's why we would see like that.
Great job.
Keep going. Keep working, Blue. Let's go.
You there, you there.
Don't leave guys on mark, though, guys.
I don't know team number 11.
That's right. He's everywhere.
They cloned him.
Dad, can you go get my bag?
No, Mr. Steve's going to halftime.
Yeah, we're gonna go at halftime. We'll go around it.
Don't worry, Alec. You'll have your uniform before the start of the game. You know, just bring the whole bag. You know, just in case. Actually, you know what? You should put that the yellow shirt over the blue. You think? Or just
No, just because it might be you might be insulating.
yeah.
Let's go, Jonathan. Let's go.
Oh, go.
Good, Oscar. Good, Oscar.
Skiing very long.
Good, Jack.
Good.
That's it, Zeke.
Go, guys.
That's it. Nice tackle, Jack. That was all ball.
I'm gonna follow. It's all right.
Yeah, you didn't get a call. That's cool. You're good.
Yes, Cam.
Come again,
That's
Tommy.
it, Tommy.
Nice idea, buddy.
Way to be aggressive, Zeke. Keep it up.
Well, you're just not going to let up. You're just going to rain the entire game.
Yeah, they predicted all day.
Take it for
Press up, press!
There we go.
That's it, Jasper.
Steve, I apologize. You can't do your pacing.
Oh no, it's all right.
Go on. Go on.
Don't do that.
Go ahead, Diego.
Cross it.
No.
Come on, Blue. You're hanging in there. Let's go.
Pressure.
Nice, Diego.
That's
Well
it,
done,
Diego.
Diego.
Keep it up, guys.
Defend, let's go, defend.
Watch them. Yeah. There you go.
Oh, nice push from behind, right?
Don't play with him, don't play with him. Oh, you threw him down. Go.
Break up, DJ.
That's it, Tommy.
Dad, don't be inside. You get
Yeah. Just leave it there.
Go.
Leave it there.
Leave it there.
Go, Jack, go.
Leave it there.
Can I take it inside?
Yeah, you can take it in.
Yeah.
Just pull it in when you're going in.
Just don't lose it like you lose everything else. That's it, Tommy.
Good job, Tommy. Let's win these balls, guys.
Come on, guys, fight.
Nice step.
It's cold for them, too.
Good ball.
Come on, Will.
Yeah, good ball.
Let's go, Trusted.
There's nobody standing there. Why are you counting 10 steps?
Sorry.
Ref! Ref, he took it. Comedy.
And he jumped in again. And he stepped up.
You guys got one guy.
Get ready for the rebound, Jay. Pick your angle for the rebound. Ghost him and get the rebound.
Launch it. Come on, Oscar.
Nice kick. Nice ball. Great job.
Keep fighting, Blue. You're right in this.
Go, Blue.
That's it.
Go, Jack, go, go.
Jack.
That's it, Jack.
That's it, Jack.
Stay with it.
Got it, we got it.
Good
Get
offer.
wider, Jonathan.
Nice.
No, yeah.
It's all right.
Great job, guys.
Good patience, Jonathan. Ghost him, Jonathan. Far post.
Nice, Zeke.
Wow.
Nice ball. Ready. Get wider, Johnny. Get wide. Get your width. Don't sneak in.
Good. Go, Diego.
Get on it, get on it.
Close him, close him, close.
That's it.
You gotta step up and go.
Come on. 2-0.
Tommy's got to charge that too. Tommy's got to charge.
That one he should have charged. That one he should have came out.
You got to throw him off.
Okay, Blue. Did you get Blue?
Let's go, Blue. We can get this back. Let's go. Get wide. Get your width.
It's nice. Nice play, Diego. I like the footwork.
Good job, Blue.
What? He didn't touch the ball.
Tommy?
Come on, Blue.
Tommy didn't touch it.
He didn't touch that ball. He did? He did? Oh.
Two hands on.
Good for him.
Oh, then it was a good play. I didn't think he touched it.
I thought it was... Go, Jack. Go. Go.
That's it, Diego.
Jack, wide.
Let's go. Find him. Nice.
Oh.
Come on, Blue.
Go, Jonathan. Fight him. Fight him. Yeah, come on.
Run, Russ. Shield. Good job, guys.
Nice play by Tommy that time.
Get it back. Jonathan, work. Let's go. Get wide. Great width.
Good passing, Blue.
Don't get so narrow with Jack, Jay. Let's go. Widen out.
Yeah. 13 minutes. 12 minutes.
Nice, Blue. Nice. Careful.
Now we're out of sorts.
Come on, you got dribble. Come on, David. That's it, David. No, no, no.
That's it, Diego. That's it.
Just back one by one. Get the first one and he'll get the second. Let's go. Oh, come on.
Nice.
Come on, come on.
Shoot.
Shoot it. You can't shoot it now. Oh!